Hello, everyone. My name is Jason Wright. I'm with Wagner Meters, and today I want to talk about wood floor cupping. I've been asked a lot if wood floor cupping will go away after some damage is done, and the answer is yes. I mean, it really does depend on the conditions, the amount of damage that you've had done to your hardwood floor. But cupping, just so that we're clear, is where the edges of each of the board, where the planks curve upwards on each end, and that's where the moisture is absorbing into the board and trying to release through those sides. So there's many factors that can be involved with cupping floors. One of them is an environmental condition. You could have too much relative humidity. You could have moisture coming in from underneath the subfloor. There are a lot of different conditional factors that could lead to that. One thing I would like to do is introduce a tool to you that can help keep you up to speed and knowledgeable about what is going on with the conditions in your home, and that is the Wagner Meters Smart Logger. And the Smart Logger is a device that reads ambient temperature and relative humidity for up to 360 days. This is a great tool to have on the job site while you're doing installations, or leave it on the job site for quite some time to monitor the conditions of the building that the installation will go into. So some outcomes that you might end up with on cupping wood floors is you may have some slight cupping or some ledging left on the wood. And after some time, you can have that sanded down. You just want to make sure that the conditions are absolutely correct and that the wood has reached its equilibrium moisture content with its conditions before doing so. That's the worst outcome, is that you'll have to have your floor sanded again. But either way, hopefully this information helps. One thing that we can certainly do is use one of our Orion 950 moisture meters. This will help prevent any of those failures from happening on the front side of things, and certainly identify issues after the fact as well. So appreciate you taking the time to listen. I'm Jason Wright with Wagner Meters, and I appreciate your time.